to this lesson on design and technology. In our last lesson, we had talked about soldering and brazing. Today, we are going to talk about knockdown fittings. What are knockdown fittings? Knockdown fittings, or KD fittings, enable materials to be joined and taken apart without weakening the joints. These fittings are normally used to join wood and metal sections. They are mostly made of metals or plastic. A range of fittings has been developed specifically for different types of joints. Advantages of knockdown fittings are: knockdown fittings are a modern way of joining materials quickly and easily without the use of clamps and glue. They allow products to be dismantled and assembled whenever necessary. They provide simple construction techniques for difficult materials such as particle board. They allow for products such as wardrobes and kitchen units to be sold as flat packs and assembled at home. Flat packs allow for easier transport and storage of bulky goods. Some common knockdown fittings are hinges, corner plates, corner blocks, and catches. A hinge is a movable joint that swings as it opens and closes. It is made of mild steel, brass, or nylon. It is secured using screws, bolts, and nuts. It is used to make flexible joints and used in small structures, for example doors, or large structures, for example railways or spacecraft shuttles. Amongst hinges, we have got the butt hinge, which is the most commonly used hinge. It is used for doors, windows, and boxes. It is made of steel or brass and needs to be recessed into wood to be able to close flat. Another hinge is the piano hinge. It is used for fixing cabinet lids, piano lids, and heavy doors. It has long continuous lengths for support along the edges of long products. It is made of brass or plated steel. The T-hinge is used for hanging heavy doors, for example gates, shed doors, or workshop doors. It has countersunk holes for use with screws and generally mounts to wooden door frames and doors. It can be welded onto metal doors as well. The concealed hinge is very popular with furniture made of manufactured boards. It is fitted inside cabinets. It is aesthetic and provides a stable, strong, and flexible joint. Other hinges are the center hinge, the flush hinge, the butterfly hinge, and the pivot hinge. It is time to test your knowledge now. Can you identify the hinge used? This one is used inside kitchen cabinets. You are correct. It is a concealed hinge. Can you identify the hinge used here? It has been used in a jewelry box. Yes, it is a butt hinge. Can you identify the hinge used in this case? It has been used in a window frame. Correct, it is a T-hinge. corner plates. These corner plates are made of metal, but they can also be made of wood or plastic. They are used to connect table parts at 90 degrees with the help of screws or bolts. They are used to reinforce joints in furniture. They are easy to maintain and are easily removed for maintenance and repair. All of these fittings have their own specific uses in the fabrication and assembly of artifacts. They are chosen according to specific requirements of the artifact. Catches are mostly used as locking systems for doors, windows, and drawers. They are connected using mostly screws. The catch body is fitted on the furniture and the strike is fitted on the door side. Catches can be magnetic, ball, or mechanical. The mechanical catch joins two or more objects or surfaces while allowing for their regular separation. The magnetic catch uses a magnet which is fixed to the frame while the plate is fixed to the door. The ball catch is mounted on top of the door and is recessed in a hole drilled on the top surface. A strike plate is mounted on the door jamb where the spring-loaded ball will catch and hold the door closed. The corner block is pressed against the two pieces of material, and the material is normally wood-based. Screws are used to fix the block into position. This type of joint is used to fit modern kitchen cabinets and DIY furniture. On this slide, you see the illustration of a cabinet corner block. This is also used to strengthen the butt joint. This is called the Modesty 1 block, which is sturdier than the corner block. The Modesty 2 blocks serves the same purpose as the Modesty 1 block, with the difference that the two pieces can be joined and separated more easily. Cam locks are another very popular method of joining and are available in different dimensions. They are strong, but they are also quite difficult to mark and fit. Now we have a small exercise for you. At home, list different knockdown fittings and their applications. During this video lesson, we have been able to see what are knockdown fittings, what are the advantages of using knockdown or KD fittings, and what are the different types of knockdown fittings. In the coming video lessons, we will be looking at other joining methods. This is the end of our lesson for today. Our next lesson will be on wood joints. Remember that you can view all of our lessons on the website of the Ministry of Education under the Student Support Program. We hope that you enjoyed the lessons. Be sure to catch us for the next lesson on design and technology. Goodbye.